Hello, this is our group project for HackUCI 2022, and our project name is ZotWash. My name is Steve Kim.
My name is David Chen.
I'm Emma Ton.
And I'm Rachel Lee.
So our motivation for this project is that we see problems how people don't take out laundries, which will increase the waiting time for the residents in Mesa Court and Middle Earth, and make the laundry process feels really long and annoying. And our solution to this problem is that we implement a website that allows users who live in Mesa and Middle Earth towers to keep track of which laundry or dryer machines are free or in use. And users or residents are able to occupy a machine by checking in with their UCI Net ID through a tablet in the washing room.
Yeah, so a bit about the functionality. The website allows the residents to check the status of the laundry machines anywhere they go. So this could be through the tablet or their mobile device. And our website also displays the washing machine statuses. So they're color-coded. Red would be occupied, green would be ready for pickup, and no color would be free for use. And the web page is also responsive, so if you resize the window, everything will scale accordingly.
So for the technologies, we mainly use Django and Python for the backend. Our models include having a floor model, which includes a floor key. We have a user profile, which includes the user's username, the email, and the passwords, and the floor key. A laundry model, which has all the choices between heaviness, cycles, and mode choices. And it also connects with the floor key. That's a many-to-one relationship. We also have a dryer model, which essentially is the same as a laundry model. And we have a notification, which we haven't implemented yet for this project. We also have our forms where we take in information for those models, and those are reflected in our views when we implement the sign-up page, the login page, and the logout page. These functions using the request, they call the templates where our HTML files are stored. So to give an example, our login page looks like this, and our sign-up page looks like this. And this is where the forms take in the information and store it in the forms, into the models. The rest of our functions, we have update laundry and update dryer, and this is implemented here when you sign up. So as you can see, a user is able to click on a laundry or dryer, and they could choose the options for the machine. And if it's occupied, it will show up as red. If it's free, it will show up as green. Neutral will show as neutral. That is the core foundation for our backend.
Okay, so for front end, we use the HTML and CSS Flexbox, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 5. So for the laundry layout,
It was mainly implemented with HTML and CSS. So what it looks like is we have a home HTML file that displays every washer and dryer in the layout. So this can be like in a certain floor in like Mesa Towers, for example. And then this is linked to, or a style sheet is linked to this, and that style sheet is main.css. And this is where we implemented the CSS.
so how we format it.
Yeah.
So that the layout looks like the laundry machine room that we have at Mesa Court and the Middle Earth towers. So, and we'll also talk about how we implement the home page.
For the homepage, we use the Bootstrap 5 as the tool of easier design, and we have a navigation bar on the top with sign in, sign out button, and color change when you hover over it. And there's also we scale and have a toggle bar here for the mobile version of this website. This is where we implement the navigation bar. We use a special feature on Django that you can basically between this content box we can implement this, use this code multiple times in different files. So we can reuse this part of code as a navigation bar on all pages. And for the rest of the landing page, the code is over here. Like we have multiple columns and rows that place the words and picture in the correct position, and also the two buttons on the bottom.
Thank you for watching.